All right, day 2 of production. We're going to build the set this morning. Hello, puppies. Hi. The dogs are all gonna help me, apparently. So we're gonna go build out the set, and it's going to be a long day, but it's gonna be a fun day. And so what we have for the set is we have this big shop out back here. So what we have is we have this corner back here. That's what we're gonna use. I had to move all this stuff out of the corner. All of this. Now, what I have to do is I'm going to build a set. I'm gonna build Hecate's hut. And so I need to turn this into looking like a creepy tent. That should be interesting. We'll see how it goes. And yeah. All right, now we have swept everything. So now we got a nice semi-clean floor. And next up, I think I'm gonna start figuring out the wall situation and the curtains, and we're gonna test that out. So I figured out the space for the area. We're gonna go along these big squares, these two big square tiles, concrete, and we're gonna have to construct 2 walls, one right here, and then a little one here. This is gonna be the entrance with the curtains. And then this back wall is gonna be there, and that's where we're gonna have the chair. And then this wall is just gonna be that. And then the ground obviously is gonna be all dirt. And so we are going to figure out how to construct the wall next. And that should be very, very interesting to figure out. I ended up bringing the dogs with me because they were getting lonely inside the house. So now I have some more extra helpers. And I have not been able to find any tape, which is a big problem because a lot of this was gonna rely on taping things to the wall and all that. So I have like two little things of tape, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. Found some more duct tape. What we're doing is we're blocking up the windows just with cardboard so that no more light gets in here, because we want it to be very, very dark in here, and we only want the controlled lighting of my own lights in those bags over there. And so we don't want any outside light coming in here. And I think that once we turn off this light, it should be pretty dark in here. Perfect, it is pitch black in here. Wow, okay. Cool. Huh, that worked out so much better than I thought it would. Interesting. Now I'm just going to start putting everything together, screwing it all together, and it's gonna be a very, very crappy construction job, but it's gonna hold. And that's all we need to do. We just need to be able to stand up, and that's good. It doesn't have to look pretty, because it's all gonna get covered in black fabric, black paper, black whatever we're putting up there. And that's all it really needs to do. It just needs to be a frame, just so we have something to attach that black fabric to, and then we should be good to go. So this is what it looks like right now. It's pretty empty right now, but hopefully once I start putting everything together and assembling it, it should start to take shape. Right, guys? They're crazy, Theo. They are crazy. Okay, can I get back to building the set? Is that okay with you guys? Okay. So we put down the plastic. We've got quite a bit of a frame built up, just making sure that that absolutely does not fall, because that would suck. And now we've put down all the plastic, so now we can put the dirt on top of the plastic. Took a little break because we need to get some more materials, but now we're gonna be back to building. The basis of this first wall, Dylan just stapled it up with the staple gun. And next up, we're going to do some more base coats on the wall of different fabrics and stuff. By the way, I forgot to mention, Dylan's here helping out now.
No problem, still a second.
Look how much we already have built. Yay! And so now we're going to probably start on the back wall, make it look nice and cool. We have the curtain up.
Curtain! Yeah.
We got the base walls for everything, so it's pretty much black in here. Okay, we are almost done the walls. We're about to put the dirt in, so we have our matting down, and we've got the curtains thrown up so that we can just put the dirt in here, and then after that, the curtains come back down. Now we're gonna finish the walls and finish everything that goes everywhere. We're just fixing one of the walls right now. Something fell down, one of the curtains. And then we're just gonna make this look a bit less plain, and then decorate it a little bit, and then we should be good to go. And this should be finished. So we're about to put the dirt in there. We are done for the day. We got pretty much everything put up. There's like a few last detail stuff that I'll do a different day, but we worked on this for about 7 hours. And there's like a few breaks in there, so it's probably only like 6 hours, but still, we worked on that for 6 hours and we are exhausted, but it turned out really good. So that's good.
Am I supposed to say something?